I'm usually pretty good and smooth with my hook on the intro, right? The thing that's going to grab your attention. It's also going to confirm that the title of the video that you clicked on is what I'm about to talk about, right? I take pride in never having clickbait, and it just kind of gets the tone of the video started. It's normally a question. Have you had this? Do you do this? I could not think of a hook or an intro to this video just to give you guys some like behind the scenes perspective of a content creator. I'm like, I don't know how to lead into this one. So let me just share my thoughts and my story on this. I talk about beard health, right? I have over 1,200 videos that go over every aspect you could imagine. And one thing that I've seen in comments and almost like responses would be the idea that people confuse a soft beard with a healthy beard. Now, I don't want to take away from that entirely, and I'll explain everything that I mean, but I do need to do the content creator thing of introduce myself. That's only polite. My name is Dan. Hello, it's nice to see you again. It's nice to meet you. I go by Dan C. Bearded. If you guys like beards, hit a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider it. I think that you'll enjoy this channel if you like beards. And again, thank you to anybody that is a subscriber out there. Okay, soft beard, healthy beard. Can a soft beard be healthy? Yes, absolutely. But it's not a sole indicator of health. Just because someone says their beard is soft doesn't mean that it's healthy. For example, I'll go over a good practice, a baseline idea and say, hey, you should try this. Food for thought. Think about this. And they'll say, no, I've never done that. And my beard is so soft. Or I'll even have women oftentimes, and that's their metric of a beard. Oh, his beard is so soft. Well, I don't know exactly where this comes from. Is it just intrinsic? Is it something in us where we feel like we pet an animal and we're like, oh wow, their fur is so soft? Or is it something with women's head hair that softness equates quality or health? I'm not sure. But that has been something that's just been kind of weighing on me, and I wanted to make this video because there are things that you can do to make a beard soft, which doesn't help the health. There are things that can make a beard soft that are actually really detrimental to the health, and I would like to discuss those. So the detriment, let's start on the bad stuff side. Your beard is made up of individual hairs. Each hair has 3 different layers to it. You have the outside, the middle, and the inside. The inside, the cortex being the biggest, the outside being the thinnest. Now, when you have these layers, different things can happen through the course of that hair's life. One of them is you can wear that hair down, whether it's by friction and something on the outside acting on it, or whether it's something like a chemical or a too harsh of a wash, right? If you're using a bar soap every single day on your beard, you're going to be breaking down that outer layer. Well, what will happen before it completely dies, before it completely goes, is sometimes it will feel softer. You're removing that protective coating, that outer layer of protection. And so then it's like, ooh, this is really pillowy soft. I'm going to keep doing this while you're actually killing your beard. And it just gets to a point where it's too late to repair. Once you've gone through that artificial soft phase, then it's just out of touch with any resemblance of a healthy beard, and it's like all I can do is start over. So I want to make sure we are crystal clear on that strictly softness is not a pure indicator of health. But it can be, right? A soft beard doesn't have to be a bad thing if it's done the right way. I have videos dedicated to getting a softer beard the right way. How do you do that? Drink more water. Use ingredients like CBD or bird oils, emu or ostrich oil. And then just overall having a healthy beard and using the right products. That's good. But there is a scale, at least for me. I want my beard to be soft, but if it's too soft, it starts to become like cotton candy. And then it doesn't feel healthy. It doesn't style well. It gets frizzy. It gets kind of out here. I want something that's going to be dialed in the middle a little bit more. So I just wanted to make this to open up the discussion, to put this in your mind that I don't want that to be the sole indicator of beard health. We should not just say, he has a great beard because his beard is soft. I think it's okay to be in the middle and have the best beard of all time. I would like to get your guys' thoughts on this. Is this something that you have considered before? Is this something where you're like, Dan, my brain hurts because that's too much food for thought right now? Where do you want your beard to be at? Do you want that cotton candy, that unbelievably soft beard? Do you want it in the middle, or do you want your beard a little bit more heavier or wirier? I don't know, right? That's a personal preference situation. I want to get your guys' thoughts on this, and I wanted to open this video up almost as like a conversational mode. So please do me a favor, do the beard community a favor, leave a comment down below with your thoughts. There's no right or wrong answers, but I do think that this will stir up the waters and get some thoughts going and just get people saying, okay, I get what he's saying there. Now let's talk about it. Thank you guys for watching today. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Stay bearded and stay positive.